Hello friends, if you are planning to buy a wireless keyboard, this Logitech keyboard MK235 is a very good option. As you can see, these are the looks of the keyboard from the top. You can see the printing on the buttons are both English and the Hindi Devanagari font. The keyboard is grey in the color. Now let's see the details printed on the box. On the left side it says model number MK235. The box says a keyboard, a mouse, a wireless receiver, AA battery and a AAA battery included for the product. On the left side you will see a sticker saying serial number, compatible operating systems and the content of the package. The content says you have a keyboard, you have a mouse, you have two AAA batteries and one AA battery. On the lower side of the box you will see the specification, all the keys you need, long battery life, built to last, simple reliable connection. There is also an MRP and the manufacture date printed under the keyboard. Now let's unbox the keyboard. On the first you will see a wireless nano receiver. This receiver is used to control both mouse and keyboard. The first thing we see is a mouse. Let's unwrap it. The mouse is a mid-size mouse, not too large, not too small, and anti-slip grip. Underneath the mouse you will see a button on-off switch and a battery compartment. Let's open and see the battery compartment. There is a place to insert one AA battery and a small size hole to store the wireless nano receiver. While traveling or while storing, you can place your nano receiver underneath the mouse. Now let's see what more we get inside the box. Okay, we can see 3 batteries provided along with this box. One is a AA battery for the mouse and 2 batteries are for the keyboard. The mouse has a AA battery and the keyboard has a AAA batteries. Now let's quickly take out the keyboard and see its features. As you can see, there is no thermocol packing. The keyboard is only under a plastic packaging. On the first look you can see the keyboard is a full-size keyboard. Buttons are extra wide and full-size keyboard with numeric pads. This is not a slim type keyboard. Underneath the keyboard you will see there are 2 height raiser options. You can increase the height of the keyboard as per your requirement. There is also a battery compartment. You can see it holds 2 AAA battery to run the keyboard smoothly. You can slide and unslide to open and close this compartment. I hope you have liked this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.